welcome to the Nail School and Beauty Academy. I'm Leanne, and today we're going to look at how to put up and take down a spray tan tent. Now, I've seen many videos online, different techniques. There are many different ways to do this. A lot of the videos where they lie flat on the floor and do a figure of 8, which works brilliantly. However, occasionally you may need to pack one down in a confined area. So the technique I'm going to show you today is how to do just that. Starting off, take the tent out of the bag and place it between your knees. Now, in order to get this up properly, grab the screen in the middle, move one leg out the way and lift the tent slowly and gently. Don't let it go or it'll spring. Now, open the tent, pull the centerpiece out. You will hear a snap noise. That is perfectly normal. And place your tent down. Your tent is up and ready to use. Now, when putting up the tent, the video was side-by-side view, so you could see the front and the side together. I'm going to run these videos separately on this one, front view and then side view, so you can actually go through it twice and see how I actually roll the tent. So starting off, you take the side of the tent that you pulled out from the middle, so in this case the left-hand side, and push it into the middle and close your tent, like that. Now, it is important that the part that opens must go in your right hand. Then move your hands to the top of the tent and take a bow. Fold the tent in half. Place your left hand in the center of the screen, and it is important that your right hand goes behind before coming down and reaching for the top. Let go with your left and stand up. If your arm goes out to the side, as demonstrated here, your tent won't roll. Keep it into your body. And the part where you feel the pressure under your arm, feed it through whilst tucking that other piece underneath. And there's your roll. Now, to put it back in its bag, put it between your knees with the ground sheet at the front. Pick up your bag and simply roll it in. And there we have one spray tan tent. So now I'm going to show you the side view. So again, the pack down is the same. Take the left on this tent into the middle. If yours was the right in the middle, then put the right into the middle. Close your tent. And the part that opens should go in your right hand or the tent won't roll. Put your hands to the top and fold the tent, take a bow. Left hand in the center of the screen and your right hand goes behind underneath the tent to grab the top. Stand up and let go with your left. Now, don't let your arm go out. Remember, keep it tight into your body. Lift it up your body whilst feeding through from under your arm at the same time, and the tent folds itself. And there we have. And again, to pop back into your bag, make sure the ground sheet is at the front and simply roll it from between your knees. And there we go. Spray tan tent made easy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.